This is our second major fundraiser for a playground, and we're trying to install an inclusive and accessible playground at our school. We have at least 10 students that are in wheelchairs, and it's very important that we have a space that they can enjoy outside also.
We should make a DE structure and a kids structure.
So somewhere they can go in the community that they're comfortable and feel like they belong.
Our school has been without a play structure for decades. It's one of only 2 in the board without a play structure on site.
It gives them that safe spot to go and play, and eventually they just start playing together.
As long as it has monkey bars. It needs monkey bars.
I'm pleased to announce today that right here at Thomas D'Arcy McGee School, the Ottawa Catholic School Board is opening its new, fully accessible and inclusive playground. Congratulations! Principal, teachers, children, thank you. Thank you for building this playground. Now all children can take part and play with their friends at this beautiful playground.
We're so very thankful to EAF for this amazing opportunity to provide this grant for us. Without them, this would have been a lot longer of a project, and we just couldn't be more thankful.
Thank you, EAF!